And this question is given that two identical plates of metals are welded end to end as shown in figure A. So we can take it as in the first situation, these two resistors are connected in series, or you can write the equivalent resistance of this combination is equal to 2R, and 20 calorie of heat flow through it in 4 minutes. So we can write the value of dq divided by dt is equal to 20 calorie per 4 minutes. If the plates were welded as shown in figure, like in B, the same amount of heat will flow in and the plate is. So if it is connected like this, we can write these two are connected in parallel combination. In parallel combination, we know that the equivalent resistance will be equal to R divided by 2. So we can use the equation dq divided by dt is equal to Ka delta T divided by L, or in terms of resistance, we can write dq by dt is temperature difference divided by thermal resistance. So over here we can write the equation for let's say this dq by dt can be written as q divided by t. Q amount of heat energy is flowing in a time of t. Rm is to find out the value of t, so we can write resistance into q divided by delta t will give the value of time. So we can just calculate what about the value of time over here. So you can write this time is directly proportional to the value of resistance. So you can write this T1 divided by T2 is equal to R1 divided by R2. So this like Rm is to find out the value of T2. So in the first situation, resistance was nothing but 2R, and in the second situation resistance becomes equal to R by 2. So we can write this becomes equal to 4. So Rm is to find out the value of T2. T2 will be equal to T1 divided by 4. So in the first situation, T1 is given as 4 minutes divided by 4. We can write that is equal to 1 minute. So now the time taken will be equal to 1 minute.